We're still talking health. The National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, has inaugurated consumer safety clubs in secondary schools here in Lagos State. Represented at the flag-off, Director General of NAFDAC, Professor Mojisola Adeyeye, said this program is geared towards reducing the prevalence of drug abuse among secondary school students. We have details in this report.
All trees, say no to drugs.
The Immaculate Heart Senior Secondary School in Maryland, Lagos is the second school NAFDAC will be inaugurating a consumer safety club, a co-initiative of the Catch Them Young program that was launched last September in Abuja. These consumer safety clubs will give students the knowledge and confidence to make smart choices about their health. By setting up these clubs, NAFDAC aims to instill a mindset of quality and safety in the minds of young people and ultimately reduce the appeal of fake and substandard products.
We know that secondary school children who are teenagers, they need to know this information, especially about alcohol. We know that alcohol is very common. It's very common all in our society, especially it's readily available because they are in sachets, they are in a small volume, and they are all available. So if these children learn from their youth to do away with alcohol, we know that we'll be preserving a generation.
Drug addiction can arise from both legal drugs such as prescribed medicines and illicit drugs. And having these conversations with young students will help reduce drug abuse. According to results from National Drug Use Survey in 2019, the number of drug abusers in Nigeria stood at 14.3 million people, aged between 15 and 64 years.
There's going to be a kind of follow-up for that club in which the children, the students, the teachers, they are going to be involved in every Wednesday. We have what we call extracurricular activities. So this one is definitely going to be, included in the program of the extracurricular activities.
I want to thank them for coming to our school and impart some knowledge to us and telling us more on how to be aware of drugs and how to safeguard us from doing drugs. If a drug is expired, like checking the NAFDAC, checking the expiring date, and then all the authorization, all the necessary things that we are meant to check.
I've really learned a lot about drug abuse. I know some people here do not know much about drug abuse, but with this little they put here, they have departed a knowledge to many students here.
NAFDAC is urging everyone to be agents of change by promoting right virtues that could lead to behavioral change.